Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create an account on VK Music Video Messenger application. First, you need to install the application on your device. You can go to the Google Play Store or the App Store on the iOS devices. Once you download and install the application, all you need to do is to tap on Open. Here, the first thing you see is the sign in option here. So if you already have an account, you can use the sign in option, but we need to create an account. So I will tap on sign up. Here, the first thing you need to do is to enter your phone number. So I will enter my phone number and then I will show you the next step. So guys, once you type in your phone number, you need to tap on continue. So this message will prompt and they say confirm you're not a robot. You need to just check this one, and they say automatic phone number confirmation. So you need to tap on continue and then allow. So once you do that, they will send you a code on your phone number. You need to copy or paste that code, but it will do it automatically as well. So once that is verified, all you need to do is to tap on create an account. So here you need to choose first name, last name, then you need to choose the gender, and you need to enter the birthday. If you want to add a profile picture, you can do that as well. So I will enter all the details and then I will show you the next step. So guys, once you enter all the details, if you want to add a profile picture, then tap on continue. Now you need to create a password. So I will create a password and then I will show you the next step. So guys, once you create the password, you need to enter it again to match the password. So when it is done, you need to tap on continue. So guys, then the application will ask you to allow access to your location. If you want to allow it, just tap on allow access to the location. If not, then you can skip that part as well. Then tap on next. Now allow VK to send you notification. You can just tap on allow, or then add friends from your contact if you want that. If you don't, then just tap on skip here, and here this message will prompt and then you can just tap on skip. So here, what topics interest you? You can choose a few topics that you're interested in. You can select them, and if you want to skip that, I will skip it for now. And as you can see, our account is already created. So this is the first interface that you will see. So guys, this is how you can create an account on VK application. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.